Day or International Workers' Day is a day of laborers and workers. It's to honor the contribution of working men and women. On this particular day, our school is celebrating and honoring the non-teaching staff or school, and under the leadership of management and teachers, to express their gratitude towards them. I'm thankful to all the teachers and students for organizing such a wonderful event. Our non-teaching staff is an integral part of our institution. I would like to appreciate them for their generous services day in and day out. And I, on behalf of Delhi Public Wonder World, welcome Mr. Ehsan-ul Haq as our guest of honor to celebrate with us the efforts of the workers. Thank you so much, sir, for your gracious presence.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am honored to be here among the children, among the staff of DPS Wonder World. Before talking anything about the Labor Day, I'd like to congratulate the management to present or to celebrate the laborers among the young toddlers, because there's a European concept. You celebrate professions. No profession in the world, and making these young toddlers, I would say, making them understand at this very young. Actually, the concept now has changed from laborer worker to human resource. Everybody is a human resource now, because pre-industrial era, when industrialization, industrial revolution, renaissance of industries around the world was not there. So the people were treated as mechanical workers. They used to treat them, they were forced to work for 15 hours during the day. And this first May struggle was to reduce this working hours from Ibn Majah. Prophet Muhammad ﷺ said that you must compensate a laborer before his sweat dries out. So this is I would say this is the crux of any celebration, labor celebration. You must respect a laborer, you must respect his hard work, because labor was and is the only currency that is traded in the world. These days you trade labor. Labor is one of the basic ingredients of any growth in the world. A skilled labor, a hard-working labor. Only these we see countries like Japan, Germany. We see countries which have developed only because of human and skilled labor. China is a manufacturing hub. A manufacturing hub hai. The reason being, the human capital is respected. Human intellect is respected. So I would like to congratulate DPS Wonder World for celebrating the day, for celebrating the labor. And I would like to also insist on the management of this institution to actually respect the workforce, to respect the human capital that you have around, and to get them the benefits they have the right of, to the people, to the workers which are working with you, teaching, non-teaching, everybody. So that would be a biggest tribute on any Labor Day. And to inculcate such values in your young toddlers, I am pretty impressed. I would like to wish you good luck in future.